Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Taurus, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, Taurus. If you want more clarity in your situation, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy, so you can stay tuned for that reading, guys. Taurus, so let's start with these cards. We have 9 of cups in reverse, ace of swords in reverse and 5 of cups. So Taurus, in your situation today, guys, maybe in your work situation or in your relationship, you are seeing certain things going in the right way and certain things that are not going in the right way. Something unexpected may happen, and maybe it may be because of the way you are. Maybe if it is a situation in your relationship, it may be the way this person behaves or acts or the words they speak, the difficulties that you're seeing today. Or maybe it may be your energy, it may be your behavior or the words you speak, or you are the reason for troubles in this relationship, guys. So maybe you have a level of understanding with this person, but the troubles we see in this relationship, it may be your own making, guys. Maybe you are the reason or this person is the reason. So you are striving really hard. Maybe you want to overcome these problems. You are working hard, making a lot of efforts. But whatever it is, there are some troubles you are seeing, and the reasons may be, just like I said, your behavior or this person's behavior. And you are also making lot of efforts, but your efforts are going to waste. There are no changes that you are seeing in your life today, guys. Taurus. And Taurus, I also see that again, it may be in your work or in your relationship. You are brooding over some things. Maybe you are just wishing that certain things were different, and you are brooding over how your circumstance went. Maybe over the past is simply hurting you or troubling you today. You are just thinking about that again and again, whatever has happened, going through that story again and again in your heart of hearts, and you are just wishing that things were different, your circumstances were different, and the outcome was different in some ways. And you see the reason for the troubles is with you, and you see that it is your mistake that your situation has unfolded in this particular way, and you are simply sad and stressed. Maybe you are crying thinking of that, but crying over the past or brooding over the past is not going to help you in any ways, guys. Taurus, in your situation. So it is simply going to add on to more stress that you're already facing today, guys. And maybe things may be going really well in your work situation. You are seeing a good turn of events, maybe prosperous deals or financial outcomes in your work situation. But in your personal life, there may be difficulties because of mistakes on your part or imperfections of this person. So they are not perfect, maybe they are quite irresponsible, and they do not have that attitude to change themselves, or maybe they are not making the efforts like you. That may be the reason that you are not seeing any change with this person you love, guys. Taurus. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, you can stay tuned for that pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. Taurus. For your love reading, guys, we have 2 cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can either close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds about your situation, then choose the cards or the crystals and watch that reading, so that way the reading may resonate, guys. So you can think about your situation, guys. So I will start with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with this card and this crystal. Let's see what is the card for you all. So for those who chose this card, the card says water and salt, truth. So in your situation today, guys, maybe in this relationship or maybe in some circumstance, you are someone who is really truthful, honest, and who speaks the truth, maybe plain truth, and people around you, maybe someone really close to you, they may not like you speaking the plain truth. They may not understand that it is your honest words. It may be what you truly feel, but you may be punished, or you may be scolded, or they may come to fight with you because of speaking this honesty. And you are not willing to tone down this truth or flatter them in any ways. So you are someone who speaks your mind, someone who tells what you truly feel. And this may not go well with this person or someone in your life. And this is not the time to to speak just to please this person. This may be the time for speaking what is there in your heart, giving that clarity, and maybe there is no reason for you to speak otherwise. This is the time you are speaking the truth, plain truth, maybe in some situation, and this person may not like it because it makes them feel really uncomfortable, and they may come to argue with you or fight with you, or they may even try to break this relationship. But this truth is all that you need for to be in this connection, and you can never give it up. That is your situation, guys. But whatever troubles you are facing today, guys, maybe by speaking what is there in your mind or some truth to this person, whatever you are facing, someday this person will understand that your words are based on honesty, and that all that happened is their mistake, and they will realize what has gone wrong, and it is all their mistake, guys. So your honesty, your plain honesty, will be appreciated someday, but that day may not be today. You may be facing a lot of troubles because of this truth, but you can be sure that someday they will understand what you truly felt today, guys, and the reason for you to speaking such words. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for y'all today, guys. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose the second crystal and this card, the second card, we have lithium quartz, and it is a crystal spirits card, guys. So this crystal, it just stands for that calmness, composure, peacefulness in our situation, and connectedness with that other person. So how to achieve this peacefulness in a relationship? Peace comes in a relationship when we are willing to trust that there is more than one right way of doing anything. Maybe we are suggesting some things and we believe in our way. Maybe whatever this person is also suggesting may be a different path, but that may also be the right path towards that destination. So you need to understand that, and you need to collaborate with your strengths, and maybe in the areas we are weak, we can take support, and the areas we are strong, we can help the other person. So in a relationship, we are meant to heal and grow together, balancing each other in this relationship. And that is the reason opposites always attract. So we are opposites of each other. So the people in a relationship, guys, and we must appreciate each other's talents and skills and support each other. So that way we are working towards a peaceful connection. And this crystal promotes that, or this crystal energy is that going for that peaceful interconnection. So you need to understand and try to collaborate instead of fighting or arguing. Sometimes we must listen to that person, their ideas. So even their ideas may work out positively, just how we believe our ideas will work out in a positive way, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for y'all today. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. So this was your first card, guys. Bye, guys.